guys, what is up? Today we're opening 2 Pokemon card packs. I have not done Pokemon in over 10 years, so let's go. Okay, so we're gonna get right into it, so make sure you like this video, and I hope I earn your subscription by the end of this video. We have 2 theme pack decks. Okay, so we have 2 theme packs. We got the Hidden Moon one right there, and we got the Darkness Ablaze Sword and Shield. This is Lucas's, and this is mine. So Lucas will go first. Make sure you watch the rest of the video, get the free code. Okay, so he got 60 cards in here. We don't know what this is, and he got this one right here. So that's kind of good already. So let's go. Okay, so 60 cards later, this is the best pulls that he got. He got 2 of these right here. He got another one of these. And he got 2 of those. And he got like 20 energies and so many trainers. But we're just now getting back into Pokemon. So this is all that they had left. These are the final 2. So we need to go restock next week when they come out more. But we still got my pack. So let's go. Now it's time to get into mine. So I don't really know what these chips are for, but this chip is really cool. Look at it. You can see the rainbow in there. So here's what you get. And here's the code to the other one if you guys want that right there. I have one more coming up at the end of this video, so stay tuned for that. So there's my first card right there. Pretty good. You can see it going back and forth like that. Code will be entered after this one. And I got like stickers and stuff for online. I don't really do that, so I guess I could give that away. So let's get into it. Let's go first one here. Energies. I'm gonna go this way. I'm gonna go this way here.
You'll always be my nice guy. You'll always be my nice guy. You're the night sky hiding behind dark gray clouds. I can't figure you out now. I see all blue. There is so much cold in you, and the silence is so loud when you go. I just stay.
Okay, so this is the best ones I got out of this pack. We got this one right here, this one right here, 2 of these guys actually, and just the hollow one. I mean, nothing too rare, and I'll just go over these one more time, like super quick, so you guys could see them. It's like mostly all the same cards is what I feel like. Like it was 3 of a kind, and then it just kept repeating. Nothing really rare, but if any of these are rare, let me know in the comments down below if they are. Because I just got back into collecting. So many of my friends have been doing it. So there's that. And here's the last code right here. So yeah, there you guys go. I hope I earned your subscription by the end of this video. Make sure you join the like squad by liking this video and smash the subscribe button down below. Make sure you comment what is the rarest one out of all of these, and comment if you want me to do more unboxings. I liked the Pokemon cards, but I need more, and I need different packs. Those are like, I guess those are like booster packs, like beginner packs, because you could trade them all. So I love you all. Thanks for watching. I will see you soon. Peace out.
Let's go.